My name is Angelina Moody Parker. I am a dentist. 2012, early 2012, I started having neck pain, left side neck pain, a little bit of shooting pain down my left arm. I went to neurologists. I went to several different hospitals. I saw two different chiropractors. I went to see an acupuncturist. Nobody could figure out what was wrong with my arm or my neck. Everybody gave me a clean bill of health, said that I was perfectly fine, but I knew that something was wrong because my body wasn't feeling like I normally felt. Nothing else worked for me. I spent in the first year of dealing with my neck pain and my arm issue, I spent about $15,000, honestly, going to see conventional doctors that did not help me and could not help me because they couldn't identify the problem. After an 8-hour day, I was in quite a bit of pain. I'd have to come home and take tramadol just to go to sleep. It was tough. I ended up going from working 5 days down to 4 days, down to 3 days, and eventually I just stopped working altogether. I was on YouTube one night and I came across Dr. Ian's Chiropractic Excellence videos, and that's what led me to wanting to pursue Gonstead Chiropractic. My husband suggested us flying to Australia to see Dr. Ian. However, I suggested maybe we should start at home, and I found Dr. Waller on Gonstead.com. The Gonstead method is different because every visit I come in, he does an examination with the nervoscope, a device used in the Gonstead therapy that kind of pinpoints areas in my back that need adjustment. Before I started coming to Dr. Waller, I didn't know how I was going to live the next 50 years of my life in the pain that I was experiencing on a daily basis. I have a high pain tolerance, and my pain level, I would say, was around an 8 or a 9 every day. And to be honest, I would cry sometimes with my husband because I didn't know how I was going to go to work every day. I missed working every day. I didn't know how I was going to live without medicating myself to get through the day, to do simple activities like laundry or washing my dishes. At the end of the day, just doing house chores, I'd be exhausted. I'd be in so much pain I couldn't go to sleep. I'd have to sedate myself to go to sleep. After just 1 week of coming to Dr. Waller, I don't feel exhausted just from dealing with managing pain all day long. I can do my laundry, I can run my errands. I don't have that nagging neck pain that was debilitating. I had daily headaches, severe headaches, and it was gone in an instant, it felt like. And I'm so thankful to have found him, and he's given me freedom to do the tasks that we all take for granted. I would say if you've tried other methods of care that have not helped you and improved your daily life in terms of functioning, doing normal tasks like laundry or dishes, and you're in pain, please seek out a Gonstead chiropractor, because they can make a life-changing difference for you and for your family. Because when you're in pain, it doesn't just affect you, it affects your family, your friends, everything. I drive an hour and a half to see my Gonstead chiropractor, and I'm so thankful to have found him. Nothing else worked for me.